12th Rabi'ul Awwal, Urs Mubarak of Hazrat Sayyidina Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, Imam of the Deen and Sunnah, the treasure of knowledge and wisdom. Shaykhul Islam, Hazrat Sayyidina Imam Abu Abdullah Ahmad bin Hanbal, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, was born in Rabi'ul Awwal in 164 Hijri in Baghdad, Iraq. He Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi attended the study sessions of Imam Abu Yusuf Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi in Baghdad, Iraq, and became his student. He also benefited from other scholars of Hadith. He Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi was also a student of Imam Shafi'i Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. There was no other like him in knowledge and arts. He Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi had memorized 1,000,000 ahadith. He Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi was a leader in the world of knowledge and was therefore followed by the people of his time. He remained associated with lecturing and teaching throughout his entire life. Amongst all his glorious writings and compilations, Musnad Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal is a standard in the field of hadith and is highly regarded. Masters of ahadith such as Imam Bukhari, Imam Muslim, and Imam Abu Dawood Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhim are amongst the ones who praise him. At the time of his funeral salah, 40,000 non-Muslims embraced Islam, raising the slogans of Kalima Tayyibah, the testimony of faith. The unique ways in which he Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi served the religion of Islam during his lifetime and after his demise were not matched by any other. Shaykhul Islam Hazrat Sayyidina Imam Abu Abdullah Ahmad bin Hanbal Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi passed away on the 12th of Rabi'ul Awwal in 241 Hijri. His holy shrine is situated in Baghdad Sharif, Iraq. May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।